Hey guys, this is the mini portable projector. Check this out. It has HDMI plug-in and the USB. I put my USB in here to control everything with the mouse. It helps a lot when you're putting things in, such as your password or something. But let me take that out so you can see. Here are the ports, the USB port, HDMI cord, and then the speaker outlet. Comes with the remote. And you can connect YouTube, Netflix, and other apps directly to here, or connect your HDMI cord from your Roku box or whatever and watch that way. It does provide a good picture, especially when it's dark in the room, and you can extend it back to have a bigger picture, which is also cool. Comes with this little setup guide. Has a good platform and a rotating position for the projector. It also has keystone auto correction for the right angle. You turn this on. There we go. And then the further you are away, the bigger the screen. This is to correct the sharpness is right here, the focus. There we go. I have daylight inside the room and you can see the picture still, and that's pretty cool. Focus is very nice. This is where you would control the focus, as you can move this wheel right and left, and that sets that for you. Small in size, which makes it portable. And direct it towards the ceiling and watch something while laying down. You can change the direction of the position of the screen over here in the settings. What I like about this projector is that it's pretty small in size, but it puts out a pretty good picture. I actually just keep it out on my dresser. It kind of looks like a decor piece as well. Doesn't look like just a bulky equipment piece. It's just very portable that way. Very easy to connect. The Wi-Fi speed and the Bluetooth connectivity is very good. I was able to put it up on the wall with a very large screen, but and it put out a very good picture. You can also go up to like 200-inch screen and it should give you a really good picture. Operation is very quiet on this projector. Auto keystone correction is also very cool. Anytime you move the projector, the picture on the screen will auto correct to make sure you have that rectangular movie screen picture. This is a great device for your screen entertainment. Also, it is great to set up as an ambience, like a fake window or something like that.